Okay, why does God care more about who we become than what we do?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story gets interesting, because Obadiah focuses on pride, selfishness, and how people treated others during difficult times. Let's slow down and look carefully. The people in this story believed their power and success made them untouchable. This might surprise you. The brain slowly becomes overconfident when pride and self-focused thinking repeat for a long time. Most people miss this part. Obadiah shows that character matters more than appearance, status, or temporary success. Here is the deeper layer. God cares deeply about who people become because repeated attitudes slowly shape the heart, relationships, and emotional behavior.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. Obadiah describes people becoming proud and emotionally disconnected from the suffering around them. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. Repeated pride slowly weakened empathy, humility, and wise judgment. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. The story shows how selfish attitudes slowly affect relationships and emotional health. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins. Humility helps people recognize weaknesses before pride creates larger problems. 5. This connects directly to real life. Many people today still struggle with comparison, arrogance, and wanting to feel superior to others. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. Repeated humble choices slowly train the brain toward wisdom, compassion, and emotional maturity.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat small actions. Repeated attitudes slowly strengthen emotional and behavioral pathways. Second, this is how habits slowly become automatic. The brain learns patterns through repetition and emotional reward. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them. Pride and selfish thinking slowly weaken empathy and self-awareness. Then, neural pathways begin firing faster and more efficiently. Humility and compassion slowly become easier through practice. Next, repeated reactions shape identity without us noticing. People slowly become more emotionally caring or more emotionally self-focused over time. Finally, what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow. Tiny daily attitudes quietly reshape the brain, relationships, and character.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. People sometimes ignore others while focusing only on success or popularity. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic. Pride can quickly make people defensive or unwilling to listen. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily. Emotional pressure slowly increases irritability, selfishness, and comparison. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns. Repeated arrogance slowly damages trust and healthy relationships. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible. Social media and competition often train people to compare status instead of building compassion.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning. Humility usually grows very quietly. Second, repetition is what gives them strength. Daily thoughtful choices slowly build emotional maturity. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum. The brain slowly learns calmer and healthier emotional responses. Then, what once felt difficult becomes natural. Kindness and humility slowly become easier through repeated practice. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character, just like tiny roots slowly hold a tree steady during powerful storms.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening inside you, especially during moments of pride or comparison. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel it without rushing. Emotional awareness helps the brain respond more wisely. Step 3. Choose one small action instead of waiting for a big feeling. Even one humble response matters. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing yourself. Character usually develops slowly through repeated practice. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow. Because growth loves consistency, small humble habits slowly strengthen wisdom and emotional resilience.
What should we do today?
1. Choose something simple, not dramatic. Encourage or help one person quietly today. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to. Even one respectful response matters. 3. Observe your reactions carefully, notice when pride or comparison tries to control your thinking. 4. Adjust without quitting, emotional growth usually happens through repeated small choices. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again, small faithful habits slowly create stronger humility and compassion. Remember, humility and compassion usually grow slowly through small repeated choices every day. God cares deeply about character because repeated attitudes slowly shape the brain, emotions, relationships, and future. Every small faithful and humble decision is helping your heart, thinking, and emotional resilience grow stronger over time. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.